Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to drop a variable from your dataset. So this is very simple. You just write a drop command and you can drag any variable that you want to delete. Okay, so you're going to delete a variable age, so click here, or you can also type age and then hit enter. And you see there's no variable called age here. Also you can see at this data editor view there's no variable called age. So this is how you drop a variable from your dataset. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and if you have any request for creating a particular video, please comment below, so I'll try to create one for you. Thanks.